Do this if you are broke in America in 2025. Now, are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Are you struggling to make ends meet? What if I told you there's a way to break free from the cycle of financial stress? Now, stay with me because in this video I've got you covered, okay? Because I'm going to reveal to you a secret that I'm going to share with you, and these are 5 apps that pay you through PayPal and bank transfer. Now let's get started so we can help you strive and survive financially. Let's get into the video.
If you're broke in America right now, you're not alone. I remember sitting in my car with just $14, wondering how I'd eat the next day. That moment forced me to learn the exact steps I'm about to share with you. These aren't generic, save more, spend less tips. This is your 2025 survival guide. We'll cover immediate cash flow to long-term escape plans, all in simple, actionable steps. Grab a notepad. This could be the most important video you watch all year. When you're broke, your money is in critical condition. You need an emergency budget, cut everything but housing, food, utilities, and transportation. List every expense, go through your bank statements and slash anything non-essential. Replace high-cost items with cheaper alternatives, cook at home, thrift shop, use public transport. This is about taking back control, not deprivation. Remember, it's temporary, think of it as survival mode until you can breathe again. Freeing up even $100 can make a huge difference. This step alone can be a game changer. You can't survive this alone. Reach out. Local food banks, free meal programs, clothing swaps, job lead groups. Search online for your city plus free resources or community assistance. Many programs are underused because people don't know they exist or feel embarrassed. Accepting help isn't weakness, it's smart survival. These resources free up cash and mental energy for your next steps. Don't try to do it all by yourself. Now get some cash flowing in, right now. Use gig apps like DoorDash, Instacart, or TaskRabbit. You can start working in days. Look for local odd jobs, babysitting, pet walking, yard work, post on Facebook or Nextdoor. Try online microtasks or short freelance gigs on Fiverr or Upwork. The goal isn't to get rich, but to create a cash buffer. Every dollar earned is a win and builds momentum. It shifts your mindset from "I'm broke" to "I'm making money." That shift is everything. Debt is like a slow leak. Eventually, you drown. Call creditors to negotiate lower interest or ask for hardship programs. Many will pause payments or offer manageable plans. Avoid payday loans at all costs. They're financial quicksand. Sell something, work an extra gig, or use your resource network instead. Every dollar saved from interest is a dollar for survival. This is a crucial defensive move. Being broke now doesn't mean you'll be broke forever. Upgrade your earning power for free. Your time is your biggest asset. Use YouTube, Coursera, or Khan Academy to learn in-demand skills, coding, sales, design, social media. Dedicate 1 hour a day to learning. Even basic skills can start earning you money on the side. Skills are assets no one can take from you. This is your long-term escape route. Your final survival step: build a 30-day cash cushion. Even $300 can change everything. Save a month of bare-bones expenses. This is your Keep the Lights On fund. Start small, $5, $10 at a time, stash it in a separate account or envelope. Sell something you don't need and add that cash. Watching your cushion grow is motivating and breaks the panic cycle. This is your ticket out of survival mode. Being broke in 2025 feels impossible, but you can win this fight. You now have the blueprint: emergency budget, resource network, income strategies, debt defense, skill building, and a cash cushion. The power is in your actions. Start with one step today. Don't get overwhelmed, just pick one thing. Make that budget, that call, sign up for that app, or learn for 30 minutes. Each step creates momentum for the next. You are more resilient than you think. You've got this.
Now, if you can recall earlier in this video, at the beginning I said I'm going to reveal to you 5 secret apps which can pay you through PayPal and bank transfer. And the best part of it is they pay through daily. You can earn income from these sites, from these platforms every single day. And I'm excited to be sharing with you these 5 apps. Now, all you have to do is click the link in the video description, and it's going to take you to my ebook 5 apps that pay through PayPal and bank transfer. Now, this is a clear tutorial, it is a clear video, and a clear step-by-step guide that you will be able to use to start making money every single day. And you can get a copy for yourself for just $10, and to be very detailed, including the videos that you need for each and every one of these platforms. Now, don't worry if PayPal is restricted in your country, because I'm also going to be dropping a video on how to open a PayPal in any restricted country that you're in at all. Now, if you've come this far, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all for watching.